Hey, my name is Leon Bilo, working with Anomaly here and going over the client-facing booking application that your gym will be moving over to. So you should be getting a copy of a document that looks similar to this. Now, they may reformat it a little bit, but effectively these are the steps that we want to take. So on this, we have our index, logging into the system for the first time, how to update your payment details, how to book a session, viewing and canceling your book sessions. Because this isn't an app that you're downloading, how you're basically saving the link that you're going to, and then just some other features of the app. So first thing is logging in for the first time. So that's going to be the link, client.anomaly.com. So we want to go on your iPhone, Android, or desktop. It'll work the same regardless if you're on mobile or if you're on a desktop. And if it's your first time logging in, basically you're going to click the button here and enter your telephone number. This should be your mobile number that you have registered with the gym that you're working with. You will log in that number, hit get password, and we will text you what's called a one-time password to that cell phone number. So that number is effectively, it's like your ID to the application. Okay. So once you get that, you'll be back on the sign-in page. Again, client.anomaly.com/login. And yeah, so it's going to go through that process. You'll enter that temporary password, then click login, and you'll have that opportunity to then update your password. So I'm going to pause this real quick, put my own info in. Okay, so I am in. I just put my phone number and email address in there. I'm sorry, my phone number and password in there. If you need to change your password, you hit those little three dots there. You can go into the change password section as far as that goes. Okay. Now, most of your phones, computers, things like that, you always have the option to save the password. So if you don't want to have to remember it, or you don't use something that's easy for you to remember, you can use the save password options on your mobile or desktop device. Okay, so let's take a look at updating payment details. So in that, it's a little bit wider. So payment method's going to be down here. So you'll have your card information. You can add the payment info in there. Pretty straightforward. If your business that you're working with is requesting the work be done on what's called an ACH, which is a draw through your credit card, or I'm sorry, your checking account, you would use the bank account information. Basically, if it's an individual or company account, savings or checking account, add your routing number, add your account number, and the description. And basically what will happen when that goes through is you will get two what are called micro deposits added to your account. Once you identify those two amounts, please text your gym business so that they can then go in and update that information and make the connection to your account. Okay. Next up is going to be booking a session and joining wait lists. So we've got some great screenshots here. Basically, you would just go into the spot, the time that you want to work into. It'll pull up. So if you want to book that session, basically you would click on that. It'll ask you if you're sure. You go ahead and book it, and then it'll show you that you're now scheduled to attend that particular session. Okay, and then you can look at other spots, throughout the calendar. Depending on the gym you're working with, the range out will be specific to each individual location. And you'll see here if the session's full, you'll have the option to join a wait list for that as well. So to view and cancel, you would basically take a look here at my bookings. It's going to show you everything that you have scheduled yourself in for. So if you do need to cancel that, you would just click cancel, hit yes. That will remove you from your scheduled session. This next section here is saving the app, bookmark, or shortcut to your desktop or phone. So if you're not sure how to do that, here's a couple of little walkthroughs for your Android and iPhone, a Safari iPhone. So this is basically using Chrome, the Chrome browser. This is using the Safari browser on that. All right. Another tab here is communicating with the studio. So you'll see some phone numbers and email addresses. You can click on those buttons and that will open up your associated information. You have your documents tab. So if you filled out a digital waiver through them, it will show up here if it's been uploaded or if they have it automatically pushed into there. Right now, when you click on that, it will download that file to your device. And the last part is going to be your personal profile. So if you have any red boxes there, please update your address, city, state, add a photo for yourself, make sure your number and email address and everything are in there. And I think that takes care of it. Thank you so much.